In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Google Sites that links directly to a downloadable file. This is a handy tool for anyone looking to share files easily through a website, whether it's for educational purposes, to provide resources for a project, or simply to enhance site functionality. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to Google Sites. If you're not familiar with Google Sites, it's a free and user-friendly web building platform offered by Google, perfect for creating basic websites and sharing files or resources with your audience. Go ahead and open up your web browser and type in Google Sites, or simply click on the Google Sites link if you have it bookmarked. Once you've reached the Google Sites homepage, you'll likely see the option to create a new site or access an existing one. After opening your Google site, let's focus on adding an interactive feature, a button. A button on your website can improve user experience by providing an easy, intuitive way for visitors to access files. Head over to the Insert tab, located usually on the right side of your screen. This tab includes a range of elements and functionalities that you can integrate into your site. Look there for the button option. Once you find it, go ahead and give it a click. You'll see a prompt to customize your button. Here, name your button something concise yet descriptive, like download file, or the specific name of the file you are making available. Next, we're going to make this button functional by linking it to the file you wish to provide. In the appearing options, you'll see a section labeled Link. Here, you'll need to paste the URL of the file you want your visitors to download when they click the button. Make sure you have the file uploaded somewhere online, such as Google Drive or another cloud storage service that generates a shareable link. Copy the link from your storage service and paste it into the link section of your button settings. Once this is done, you'll need to save these changes. Google Sites usually auto-saves for you, a feature that ensures your work is secure, but double-checking never hurts. With that, your button should be all set and visible on your site. Now, whenever someone clicks that button, it will automatically direct them to download the file you've linked. Test this out yourself by publishing your site or updating it with these changes, then navigating to the Publish Site link. Click on the button to verify that it works seamlessly and downloads the file as expected. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your Google site with downloadable content. Thank you for watching today's guide, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Google Suite tools.